Welcome back to Fresh Living. I'm here at Alviarmani and I'm joined by Jefferson. So great to see you.
So great to see you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Of course.
This facility is absolutely gorgeous and you have a personal connection to the clinic. Let's rewind about 12 years here. You actually are a former patient, right?
I am. I had a procedure in Beverly Hills in 2011. Completely and utterly changed my life. I'm a stage performer, and so it was really a significant change for me, giving me the confidence that I needed to continue to do what I wanted to do. But
Sure.
yeah, I've got a special connection here that really made me eager to become a part of the professional team and help make that same impact on other people's lives.
That's so incredible. I think that really helps people put them at ease. And then let's fast forward to current day. You guys just opened this brand new facility,
Yes.
So beautiful, right here in Salt Lake.
Thank you
Tell
so
me
much.
about that.
Yeah, definitely. Well, we looked at Salt Lake. We were looking at a variety of different locations, and Salt Lake just seemed to be a perfect fit. I'm from Salt Lake originally, and when I had my procedure done, I had a multitude of people who wanted to get it done as well, but they didn't have really many options here in Utah for hair restoration, and so it seemed to be just a perfect fit, and it has been since we've opened our doors. It's been great. Yeah.
This area is just amazing, and I think the fact that you have that personal connection, it probably really puts patients at ease,
Sure.
you know, when you can share your story, I'd imagine.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think that's probably what uniquely positions me to do what I do, is to hold people's hands because I've been through the entire procedure myself. I know what to expect.
Sure, yeah. Doesn't get much more personal than that.
Definitely.
I want to talk about your experience, you know, as a director here, working with Dr. Barton. What's it like?
Dr. Barton is incredible. It's hard to put into words. He is one of the foremost experts in the world in the field of hair restoration, and his artistic focus and his ability to do what he does day in and day out is really second to none. You know, with this type of procedure, it's really artistry, and it comes down to the quarterback. It really does. And quite frankly, he's the best I've ever seen do it, and you know, he continues to do it. He's got that emotional connection as well because the procedure changed his life, and so he's uniquely positioned to do the best job that he could possibly do because he knows exactly what these patients have gone through. He sat in that chair, he's worn those shoes, and so he focuses day in and day out on being a better version of himself, and it's what makes working with him really special for me.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, you have this personal connection, he does as well. For people who've been through, you know, this time where maybe it's just a challenging time, and going to people who really care,
Absolutely.
it makes all the difference in the world.
I agree.
So,
I agree.
Jefferson, thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Absolutely. All right, well, we're going to go check out what Alora is up to next.